Alright, so we're going to take a look at DBQ number 1. This was the one that you should have turned in by now. And I'm just going to go over a sample. This is actually one written by one of your colleagues, so somebody might recognize this. It's a good DBQ. It's very well done. I think what I like about it is that it's simple and that was something you could complete in 45 minutes. Let's go through it. I'm going to score it, and then you're going to see, you know, how if you're struggling, the different elements. Okay, so let's take a look at the first part, and we're looking for the context, and that looks like about right there. And the question is that enough to get the full point? Well, let's take a look. The Enlightenment was a movement. It talked about it came from Renaissance humanism. It gives an example of one scholar in his book, and another person without much description, Descartes. Is that enough? Well, it's a little short, but I think, you know what? I think it's probably okay for this 45-minute format. I'm not sure if this was the actual AP test from last year or next year, but I think it's enough. It's a little bit thin, but it does give some context. All right, next thing to look at is the thesis. And what we're looking for here is evaluation. Does this evaluate? Is it two-part? Okay, it's two-part, and we're looking for evaluation. Okay, let's look at it. The Enlightenment, most importantly, I like that, undermined the authority of religion, and less importantly, created more religious tolerance. You know what? Boom and boom. That's the point. That's actually, it's a short thesis. It's not very analytical, but you know what? I like it. Short is something that you could do in a 45-minute time frame. Okay, let's look at the first body paragraph. So this is B number 1. Okay, it has a topic sentence, and I like that. The most significant impact, very good. Then it gets right into the documents. Document 1 states that if atheism were accepted, religion would die, and there'd be no religious wars. Okay, that's good. That used the document. It explains it well. Then it gets into a sourcing or POV. I use POV as just a quick abbreviation, but sourcing means you have to reevaluate the documents from the point of view or the viewpoint of the person making the statement or making the document. So the purpose of the document is to examine the effects of atheism in a theoretical society as an intellectual. The author is French, so he most likely knows of the long-lasting brutal religious clashes between Catholics and Huguenots in France, so he's inclined to think that anything that terminates struggle between religions would be good. That is an excellent sourcing or POV. Absolutely perfect. You need 2 of those. There's one there. Boom. Okay. This document supports the idea that the critical thinking of the Enlightenment. Once again, they're using this person as reading the document well and using the document to back up their thesis. All right, next page. Continuing with body paragraph number 1. Okay. Doc 3 states that men can pursue, and here we are. Here's POV 2. The author owns a salon, a location for new ideas to discuss. That's good. Doc 4 states that we do not need religion, instead we need to spread reason. The purpose, POV 3, you only need 2, but it's always good to do an extra one. The purpose of the document is to advise the ruling party of Germany. Okay, I like that. The document supports the Enlightenment, undermining the authority of religion. Okay. Undermining the authority of religion was the most important impact. Okay, so they repeated their thesis part of it, which is great. I don't see any outside learning though. And we can look for that later, but I don't see any outside evidence. So I'm going to put a question mark there. So far, it looks pretty darn good. Okay. Body paragraph number 2. The less important impact. So this is the evaluation part of it. It was creating more religious tolerance. Doc 2 states every man has the right to be part of any religion he chooses. Purpose of this document is to praise the English monarchy and to state natural rights. This supports the impact of creating religious tolerance because Voltaire was one of the most his right of man's natural right to choose a religion created more religious. Now that might go under this outside evidence because it's not in the document. So I'm going to put a question mark there. Doc 4 states that spreading common religious and reasonable principles creates more tolerance. Without the Enlightenment, tolerance is in danger of being poisoned. The purpose of this document is to reinforce. Okay, this clearly demonstrates more religious tolerance. Okay, I don't see a POV there, but that's okay. We don't need any more POVs, but I don't see it there. Document 5 talks about Joseph II. And okay, that's fine for using the documents, but once again, I don't see any outside evidence. You could have brought in there, the fact that he was a failure, that Joseph II was an enlightened despot, but really didn't achieve his goals. That's not there. It's okay. All right. Now we're looking at the final, which is the conclusion. A piece of evidence. Okay, here we go. So I don't like using this phrase. I would just jump right into it because you only have 45 minutes and you can cut some words out. That'd be good. And it talks about bacon. Okay, so there's some outside learning. Very good. Talks about the inductive reason. And then it goes on. Impacts listening influence. The toleration to prove was not respected. For example, what is now Northern Ireland has a religious clash between Catholics and Anglicans that continue today. In conclusion, the Enlightenment most importantly undermined the authority of religion, and less importantly, because they repeat the thesis. So let's go through the points here. So there's definitely context. It wasn't the best I've ever seen, but I think it's good enough in this format. There was a thesis that had two parts to it and then evaluated. They used all the documents and they used them to support the thesis. So that's going to be 3 points right there. Now we're going to look for the POV and the outside learning. I saw 3 POVs. You only need 2. That's 2 points right there. The lowest you get is 10, and you get the complexity here. Outside evidence, I've only seen 1. There might be 2 there, but I think maybe 1.5. We're going to count it 1. If you don't get 9, so you have 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 here, you can't get this. So that's the most you can get. To get the complexity, you have to have all 9 of those. You could argue that was there, but I think this is an 8. Okay? So hopefully you now, by going through DBQ, can understand the different elements. And I'll be making comments on all your DBQs. I've already done that for some of them. And okay, well, have a good one.